Affiliate marketing is a dynamic online strategy where you promote products or services on behalf of other businesses and earn commissions on sales or leads. It's an attractive option for entrepreneurs because it requires minimal startup costs and offers passive income potential. This method benefits marketers and businesses, linking them in a profitable partnership. Throughout this video, we will guide you through setting up your own affiliate marketing website, from selecting your niche to launching and promoting your site. Our step-by-step approach ensures you'll have all the tools needed to start your affiliate marketing journey successfully. Choosing the right niche is fundamental in affiliate marketing, as it sets the foundation for your website's content and potential success. A well-chosen niche aligns with your interests and expertise, which naturally drives your motivation and content quality. Research is crucial. You'll need to identify areas with sufficient demand and manageable competition. Look for gaps in the market where you can offer unique insights or solutions. Evaluating profitability and audience engagement will ensure the niche has enough potential customers interested in your content, making it a lucrative part of your affiliate marketing strategy. Selecting the right domain name is essential as it represents your online identity and influences first impressions. A memorable and relevant domain name helps ensure that potential visitors can easily find and recall your site. It should ideally reflect your niche and be easy to spell. To register your chosen name, you'll need to select a domain registrar, an accredited organization that manages the reservation of domain names. After choosing a registrar, check the availability of your desired domain name. Select a domain extension that suits your business and complete the registration process, typically involving a fee and providing your contact details. Web hosting is a critical service that stores your website's data and makes it accessible over the internet. For affiliate marketing, high uptime and fast load times are vital to ensure user satisfaction and SEO efficiency. Choosing a reliable hosting provider is therefore crucial. Look for providers that offer great performance, strong security features, customer support, and scalability options to accommodate your site's growth. Assess their reputation by reading user reviews and test their customer service responsiveness. A good hosting service not only boosts your site's performance, but also supports smooth operations and potential expansion. Effective website design is pivotal for attracting and retaining visitors, significantly impacting conversions in affiliate marketing. Key elements include intuitive navigation, fast loading times, and mobile responsiveness, all enhancing user experience. Visuals should be appealing without overshadowing content functionality. Using platforms like WordPress simplifies the design process with its user-friendly interface and variety of themes tailored to affiliate marketing. These themes are optimized for performance and conversions, featuring elements like product display areas, review sections, and call-to-action buttons strategically placed for maximum engagement from potential customers. Creating content that effectively converts is at the heart of successful affiliate marketing. Your content must not only attract but also persuade your audience to make purchasing decisions. This involves crafting compelling, informative, and engaging articles or product reviews. Understanding search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial. By incorporating targeted keywords naturally into your content, you improve your site's visibility in search rankings, driving more organic traffic. Further, it's essential to keep your content up-to-date and relevant to your audience's interests and current trends, enhancing engagement and the overall user experience. Launching your affiliate marketing site marks the beginning of an exciting journey. Once your website is ready, ensure all functionalities are tested before going live. Upon launch, it's crucial to implement digital marketing strategies to drive traffic and generate revenue. Start with SEO to enhance organic search visibility. Utilize social media platforms to engage with broader audiences and create compelling content that resonates with your target market. Email marketing can also be a powerful tool for direct engagement, while pay-per-click campaigns can drive immediate traffic. Each element should be carefully planned and executed to start earning commissions effectively.